Hi, my name is Bruce Penson from ProDrive, and this is one of a series of videos about how to use Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. So today we're going to cover Copilot within Excel. Excel's obviously quite a beast of a package, and it can be difficult to remember formulas or how to apply things such as conditional formatting, and finding out these features can be time-consuming. Formulas often don't work. So fortunately, Copilot has some really good functionality here that can save you a lot of time. So just going to share some sample data that we have now. There it is on the screen, saying some sample data for food product sales. And what I first want to do is put a bit of segmentation around the quantity. So I want to easily identify those high-performing sales, low-performing sales, and mid-performing. So I want to categorize them into A class, so that's 200 units and above, B, 100 to 200 units, and C, below 100 units. So I actually asked, I did this one earlier to save a bit of time, Copilot to create a formula for doing that. What Copilot then does is it replays what it thinks I'm asking it, and which it's got right, and it gives me the formula, which I could copy and paste, but actually better than that, I could just insert the column with the formula in, and as you can see, it's categorized that correctly. We'll just go up to some higher unit numbers, and you can see it. So what I'd next like to do is put a bit of visual context to the total price. So to see which ones are high performing or in terms of the sale price and which are the ones command a lower price. So, we normally use conditional formatting for this. So I'm going to ask Copilot to do some conditional formatting. It helps to be as precise as you can with your prompts. So let's see what Copilot comes back with there. I've asked it to do this in segments of 100. So hopefully we'll get there. So here we go. So Copilot's done a red, white, green conditional formatting on that. So we can see it's already sorted by price. But I didn't really want those colors, so I'd rather it was in blue. So let's ask it just to change that. Now, you probably already know how to do conditional formatting, but if you are aware of how to do it, you appreciate that sometimes doing conditional formatting specifically like this can be very time consuming. There are kind of built-in functions in Excel, but if you want a very specific type of formatting, that can take up a lot of time. But what we've got here is exactly as I specified now. It's in blue, light blue for a low value, dark blue for a high value. So let's try and challenge Copilot a little bit more. We've got an additional table here, some survey data. This table is called survey data, and this table we're looking at originally is called sales data. So what I want to do is do a lookup. So I'm getting the survey score for that particular category of food and putting it in this table here. So let's ask Copilot to do that. And actually, I wouldn't know how to do this. Normally, I don't have the Excel skills for it. I could probably look it up, but that would take me a long time, and I'd probably get the formula wrong to start with. So hopefully, Copilot will be able to help us do that. Okay, so again, it's interpreted what it thinks we're asking for, which it's got correct. Put the formula in there. I've never used XLOOKUP before, so I wouldn't know how to use it, and it's given us a preview which looks correct, so we can then insert the column into our table. There it is. So really, really simple to put that kind of information in there. There's lots of other things you can do with Copilot in Excel, such as creating charts, insights, that kind of thing, but we'll save that for another video. Thank you for your time. Hope that's been useful. And don't forget to check out the other videos on the ProDrive YouTube channel.